Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. Today we're talking about a significant development in India's electric vehicle landscape. Tesla, one of the world's leading electric car manufacturers, has made it clear that they don't plan on setting up manufacturing in the country anytime soon. Now, you might be wondering why this matters to us here at ElectroDrive News. Well, let me tell you. India is a crucial market for electric vehicles, and with a significant government push, the country is finally starting to take off. Just last week, the Indian government finalized an electric vehicle policy that's expected to boost the local industry. According to Reuters, Tesla has long wanted to sell its cars in India, but high tariffs have been a major obstacle. These tariffs were so steep, according to Elon Musk, that they're among the steepest in the world. So, what changed? Well, it turns out that the Indian government decided to cut those tariffs significantly for foreign automakers who agree to invest $486 million in building electric vehicles domestically. This is a big deal, folks. Not only does it give foreign companies like Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen a huge incentive to set up shop in India, but it also gives domestic players like Tata Motors and Mahindra a boost. They've already invested millions of dollars in local EV manufacturing, and now they're going to get even more support. But here's the thing, we're not seeing Tesla at all in this latest policy update. And that's no surprise, given their long-standing concerns about tariffs. However, this move does suggest that other foreign automakers are taking notice of India's electric vehicle ambitions. India's electric vehicle sales are currently dominated by domestic players like Tata Motors, but the government wants to increase this to 30% by 2030. And with a policy like this in place, it's clear that they're serious about making it happen. That's all for today, folks. We'll keep an eye on this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News.